Hey everybody, this is Brian with a short seafoam video on 4 quick steps on how I like to prepare a snowblower for seasonal storage. Let's get started. Step 1 is to start with a low tank of fuel. If the tank is already low, that's great. If not, all you need is one of these low-cost siphon pumps you can get at a parts store or buy online. I think this one cost me around $5. Most snowblower tanks are small, so it's easy to remove the fuel. Just make sure you leave about 10 ounces of gas left in the tank. Whatever goes in this can, I'm just gonna pour it into my truck. Step 2 is to add a high concentration of seafoam to the fuel. Remember that I left 10 ounces in there, so I'm just going to eyeball about a quarter can into the tank. Step 3 is to run the high concentration seafoam mixture through the engine. All you do is start the engine and let it idle for 5 minutes. Running the engine will draw the seafoam mixture through the carburetor circuits, through the upper intake, and into the chamber area. We're at the 5-minute mark, so all I do is shut off the engine. After I shut off the engine, I disable the start key and pull the start rope a few times to add more lubrication into the cylinder cavity. At this point, seafoam is working to do 3 things during the storage period. 1, it stabilizes the fuel. 2, it's everywhere in the carburetor circuits, so everything won't turn to sticky varnish. 3, the high content of seafoam oil adds a lot of lubrication to the intake and upper engine to keep the cylinder parts from drying out. Now step 4 is I'm going to use deep creep penetrating oil to spray around the auger area to protect everything from dry out and rust. All right, I'm all done. By the way, did you know that deep creep penetrating oil has the same ingredients as seafoam motor treatment? So this is that in this can, except deep creep is not flammable. So when you remember seeing all that lubrication going on in the auger area, seafoam brings the same lubrication through the carburetor circuits, into the intake, and into the cylinder cavity. So all that lubrication protection is working during the storage period. That's all there is to it. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.